If you want to improve how you draw clothes for your characters, especially for children's books, you are in the right place. I've created 5 easy step-by-step voiceover tutorials, each focusing on a different outfit. A dress, pajamas, a pirate costume, a cozy sweater with a scarf, and chic outfit. To make things even easier, I've included the brush stamps with all these clothes and a few fun extras. You can adjust them to fit your character and draw along, or use them directly in your artwork. With a custom brush set, you will also get cute patterns and lovely details. There's a wide range of options: stripes, vulgar texture, polka dots, stars, flowers, hearts, a funket stem, and much more. Many of these brushes are used in my tutorials, so you will see exactly how they work from the very first line. And as icing on the cake, you will also get a PDF guide with the tips to make your characters look amazing. All of this comes together in one lovely package, available now on my Patreon and Gumroad. You will find the links in the description below. Can't wait to see your designs. Stay in touch.